Hello friends, welcome to the science lecture. Friends, every day we perform a lot of activities. We do various types of works, and for doing all these works easily, we need some tools. The tools that makes our work easier, that are called simple machines. So today we are going to know about working with machines. So what is work? First of all, we should know that what is work. So work, when force is applied on an object, and it moves, then it is called work is done. Now you will ask, what is force? Force is nothing, just pushing and pulling of an object is called force. Fine. If I apply force here, if I push here, that means I am applying force here. But can you say that in every time when we apply force, work is done? No. In scientific language, work is done when object moves after applying the force. Like if I throw this marker from if I take this marker from one hand to another hand, means it is coming from one hand to another hand. That marker is moving. That means work is done. But if I try to push this board, can I push it? Can I move this board? No, I cannot move this board. If I cannot move this board, that means I have not done any work. Fine. So in scientific language, when a force is applied on an object and the object moves, it is called work is done. Fine. Now various types of works are there, and we make our work easier with the help of tools. That tools are called simple machines. Tools which make our work easier, that are called simple machines. Tools that make our work easier, that are called simple machines. Now I am giving you some example. You can see this scissors. This is a simple machine. You can see this screwdriver. This is also a simple machine. You can see this screw. That is also a simple machine. Fine. You can see this wheel and this axle. This is also simple machine. So today we are going to know more about simple machines. How many types of simple machines are there and how these machines work. Fine. There are 6 types of simple machines. First one is inclined plane. Second one is a screw. Third one is wedge. Fourth one is pulley. Fifth one is wheel and axle. And sixth one is lever. Now we will know about each type of machines one by one. An inclined plane has sloping or slanting surface. You can see this. This is inclined plane. Sloping or slanting surface is there. This inclined plane is used to move an object, a heavy object, up and down easily, because it is slanting, so it will slide very easily. You can push or pull very easily any heavy object. Fine. And examples are like slide is there. You might have seen slide in a park where you enjoy whenever you get free time, you enjoy on that slide. You go up through the stairs and slide down with the help of slide. This is the example of nothing. This is just the example of inclined plane. Fine. The next one is screw. It looks like nail with grooves. You can just see here. It looks like nail Fine. But grooves are there, means slanting lines are there. Fine. It helps to fix two things together. Now just observe this one. It has two parts, upper part and lower part, and it is fixed with the help of screw. You can see these screws. It is fixed with the help of screws. So this is also a simple machine. This makes our work easier to fix two things together. Fine, to fix two things together. The next one is wedge. Wedge has two inclined planes joined together at a point. Now see, this is the example of wedge. If you observe it carefully, you can see that this part is thick and second part is thin. So this thick part means two wedges are joined together here. Two inclined planes are joined together. In this wedge, two inclined planes are joined together, and this wedge is used for cutting. Like this is knife. Knife is an example of wedge. You can cut fruits, vegetables with the help of this wedge. Fine. So inclined planes, it has two inclined planes that you have to keep in mind. That is why one side is thicker than the other side. One side is thick and one side is sharp. The sharp side is used to cut vegetables, fruits, and this thick side is there. The second side is thick because there are two inclined planes joined together. Fine. The next simple machine is pulley. So pulley is made by using a wheel and a rope. Pulley is made by using a wheel and a rope. You can see this pulley. There, this is a wheel. One rope is there. Here load is fixed and one side bucket is there. Fine. So this is a model of a well. In a well, water is there and we want to draw water with the help of bucket. So how can I draw water from the well? So one side load is there, so that bucket will not go up and down without pulling the rope. So now if we pull the rope, the bucket will come up. If we pull the rope, bucket come up. Then we use that bucket of water and again we will send it. Again we will keep it in water and then again take water and draw it. Take water and draw it. With the help of this pulley, you can draw water from well very easily without using a very much effort. In less effort, you can draw water through the well. In Independence Day or Republic Day, you might have seen that flag hosting. There also pulley is there. So the high flag you can easily furl. With the help of pulley, you just have to pull the string. You just have to pull the rope and then flag will unfurl. Fine. Flag will. By this way, pulley helps in drawing water. Pulley helps in lifting any heavy object very easily. Only one wheel is there and one rope is there. With the help of this wheel and rope, you can do a lot of work very easily. Fine. The next one is wheel and axle. Wheel and axle, in that one wheel is there and it is attached with a rod. That rod is called axle. You might have seen that wheel and axle in bicycle, in car, in bike, in a steering wheel. Everywhere you have seen that. Okay. So the thing is that when we talk about this one, wheel and axle, large wheel is there and it is attached to a small axle. I can show you. This is a car. This is a car. So one wheel is here, second wheel is here. Fine. And how these two wheels do not come out. because these two wheels are attached with the help of axle. You can see that, you can see this one. This small line like a structure is there, rod like thing is there. With the help of rod, these two wheels are fixed. So this rod is called axle and this circular part, this is called wheel. This wheel and axle is called simple machine because it looks very simple, but it makes our life very easier, very simple. It makes our life very simple. We can work very easily. We can go from one place to another place that is very distant with the help of car or this one bike. So wheel and axle are very, very important thing. Many skaters, all the skaters, the skaters who do skating, they use skating wheels. They use skating wheels. The skating wheels are also based on that formula only, that there is a simple machine, wheel and axle is there, and with the help of that wheel and axle, they can move from one place to another place at very distant place in very less time. Fine.